Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just can't stop. Here's part 4. This is pretty cool and pretty easy. And to let everybody know, I make mistakes too all the time. And while I was making this, I was going to move this to the center of the page. And I hit P. Well, they weren't grouped together. But look what happens if you take sometimes a mistake can be pretty good looking. This one not particularly so, but that's pretty unique, drawing stars and hearts and just a jungle of mess. So anyway, we're going to move this back over. And if you didn't watch the first 2 parts, see, I always make sure I'm in the center of the page. This line here is separate. It's non-touching anything. So anything we put in there, I'm going to do some rectangles this time. And you know, I was almost going to say this is the last one, but I just thought of something else that would be pretty cool. We'll put in another star. Now the stars, you know, aren't going to be, that'll work pretty good right there. A lot of times you can rotate it and make it where they're all going to be on that plane. Let's just put let's go back to that heart. So draw a heart, hold down the control button and just, take that heart and move it around kind of in the center. You could actually have it, you know, up above the line, because you're going to see what's going to happen in just a second. Now, the good thing about this, we did not move our line. So I'm going to get rid of, you know what, I still might play with this, so I'm going to move that over. It's really quite fun. I got plenty of other stuff to do, but then just take this and weld it. And see how it went through the heart. Now we're going to make this something other than a hairline. That's too thick. And if we go to object and convert outline to object, and then we left click, right click, this is what we get. I mean, it would have taken you a good long time to do that. And our stars are a little blunt edge, but since I'm doing on the center of the page, I'm going to Control D, alternate C, and rotate it 90 degrees. And the reason that other one made a mishap is because I didn't group them together. So let's do that again. I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to make a duplicate of that. This one I'm going to take and weld it all. Well, I'm going to go down one more time. And I'm going to weld this one. And by welding it, it gets rid of my line. But let's see what happens this time if I hit P. Kind of the same result, but it's kind of unique in a way. I mean, if you got really lucky one time and, you know, it's stars and hearts and cubes and squares, but no big deal. Now that we've welded this one together, we can hit P. And that doesn't really matter. But then if you use the Smart Fill tool on this, I find instead of changing colors, I'm just going to Smart Fill it in black, because I can very easily go over here and put my color in. Now, you've got to get rid of the outline to do this. And I really didn't make my outline thick enough. I wish I would have made it thicker. But it's that burnt orange. So we're going to take the interactive fill tool. This time, let's go up and put yellow on top. And you never know what it looks like till you put the black box. That's pretty cool. I can see people doing that. You could even put names in there. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.